Everybody knows the fellas at Hollywood Motors are true Cadillac lovers, and this car is absolutely beautiful. It's the last year of this Bustle back body style. It's a 1985 Cadillac Seville. The optional fifth wheel on the trunk, Vogue tires, just a stunning example of a really nice original car. I have tons of service records. You can hear she's running great, she sounds great. Body is straight as an arrow. Beautiful car, 60,000 original miles, factory wheel covers. Just a really nice car. Again, Vogue tires are optional back then. The fifth wheel, a big option. All the chrome and the bright work is beautiful on this car. Just a stunning example of an 85 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. Again, low 60,000 original miles. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Look at the interior. It's absolutely beautiful. Another beautiful Cadillac from the car fella.